Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Airbnb earning dashboard. So to use Airbnb earning dashboard, open your Airbnb app and then switch to your hosting mode if you are not already there. Once you switch to your hosting mode, tap the three-line menu at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap earnings. Once you tap earning, the dashboard features an interactive chart showing earnings for the previous 6 months, current month to date, and projections for the next 5 months. Now you can tap the filters to view specific earnings by listing or date range. You can also view upcoming transactions or paid transactions. Now select a row to see transactions details, including reservation information and adjustment. Now go to the earnings section and select upcoming or paid, set filters, tap get report, and choose to open or email the file. Now the dashboard allows access to tax documents and summaries of total earnings. Now manage payout methods and routine rules in the settings within the earning areas. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next one.